Morning routine for a healthier day. Boost energy and mental clarity. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we help you live your best life every day. Today, we're diving into the ultimate morning routine to boost your energy and mental clarity. Whether you're getting ready for a busy workday or just want to feel more focused and energized, this routine is for you. 1. Wake up mindfully. Step 1 is simple but powerful. Hydrate. After a night's sleep, your body is dehydrated. Start your day with a glass of water to wake up your system and kickstart your metabolism. For an extra boost, try adding lemon or mint for a refreshing twist. This small step makes a big difference. Number 2. Mindful morning movement. Next up, movement. Whether it's yoga, stretching, or a brisk walk, getting your body moving increases blood flow, energizes you, and sharpens your mind. You don't need a full workout. Even 5 to 10 minutes can get you going. If you're short on time, try this quick stretch sequence to wake up your muscles. Choose whatever movement feels best for you. Number 3. Mindfulness practice. Now, let's focus on your mind. Spend a few minutes meditating, journaling, or practicing gratitude. This sets a positive tone for the day and clears mental clutter. I like to jot down 3 things I'm grateful for or set intentions for the day. It's a great way to start with purpose and clarity. Number 4. Nutritious breakfast. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast. Aim for a balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you feeling full and focused. Not only will this give you the physical energy you need, but it also supports brain function and mental clarity. One of my personal favorites is a green smoothie packed with spinach, banana, almond butter, and chia seeds. Delicious and loaded with nutrients. For a more indulgent twist, you can turn it into a smoothie bowl, adding toppings like granola, fresh fruit, and a drizzle of honey. If smoothies aren't your thing, try avocado toast on whole grain bread, topped with a sprinkle of chili flakes and a poached egg for a savory option. And for those cooler mornings, a hearty bowl of oatmeal with nuts and seeds is always a great choice. Whatever you choose, make sure it's something you love and look forward to. Number 5. Plan your day. Spend a few minutes planning your day. Write down your top priorities and break them into manageable tasks. This will help you stay focused and productive. Having a clear plan reduces stress and helps you tackle the day with confidence. Number 7. Get ready for the day. Finally, get ready for the day with intention. How you prepare yourself mentally and physically sets the tone for everything that follows. Take a few extra minutes to wear something that makes you feel confident and energized, whether it's your favorite outfit, a pop of color, or simply something comfortable that aligns with your goals for the day. This simple act can significantly boost your mood and self-esteem. And there you have it, a morning routine for energy and mental clarity. Start small, pick the habits that resonate with you, and build from there. Remember, how you start your day matters. Avoid diving into technology or social media first thing in the morning, as it can scatter your focus. Instead, use this time to connect with yourself and set a positive tone for the hours to come. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips to help you live your best life. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, every small step you take towards a healthier, happier life. See you in the next video.